That! Last year camera.
Hi.
Wait, why did she record?
Ellen's about to turn 20.
On Monday.
Jump scare, we're still friends. Who would have thought?
Who would have thought?
Not
Just kidding,
me.
a year ago we were best friends, so.
Mwah.
Now we're friends forever. And I was her favorite.
Happy snow day. Oh my god, I'm so happy.
Wait, it's actually not even cold.
We're going to Hills! Let's go!
Hills is throwing a darty. Thank the fucking Lord Jesus, so we're going. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Georgia? Betty Wap.
I want you to be.
Hi. Good morning.
Wait, it's actually.
It's 10:38 a.m. We're going on an adventure. What? Isn't this going in your YouTube video?
That was good.
Welcome back to Never mind. Never mind. So stay tuned. You can't say that didn't eat because it did.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Drake in another life. In
In another life, we're making millions.
Whoa, this is insane. Wait, this looks like Tahoe.
That is really beautiful. Tunnels like these always remind me of Perks of Being a Wallflower. Has anybody seen that movie? Wait, you've never seen that movie? You should watch it, you'd really like it.
Sam was coming out that way.
Yeah.
I have mine in my bag.
Okay, cool.
Happy hike day.
It's too short. Move it down.
Did she fall?
No, it was perfect. It's kind of deep.
Hi. Don't hit me. Disappears for 5 minutes.
The cold never bothered me anyway. Can you play some Frozen?
This is deep snow, guys.
Oh no, my socks.
Still believing good days are told me all my fears, my little faces. I did like throwing up to see, gotta hold my.
I didn't drink all of that last night.
Is that bad for my camera?
Got up the courage. Wish I wouldn't have worried about what other people thought I felt comfortable.
Open arms! Is this real? I think I ripped my leggings.
Ow!
face first is crazy. Round corners and Am I? Swear to God, I'm gonna kill you.
Anyways.
Oh, we're in a sick ass town.
It's like a house turned into like a...
Wait, I think it may be. And why is it
think so.
telling you to take a U-turn?
Because I'm mapping it to DG. What is this one?
Oh, cool. Wait, I think it could be quaint.
Just the town of Oak Ridge.
The people of Oak Ridge.
Ghetto.
Oregon State? What the heck?
Oh boy.
You ready to start drinking?
Pookie.
Oh my god.
Pookie.
Is she alive?
Snow cleans my hookahs so much. Grit.
You like your pub.
$39.50.
Here's how you shuffle cards.
Let's see it. Performance anxiety. It's botched.
She's doing overtime right now, trying to save videos.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah. I suck. I used to be good at it. I'm gonna use this short one.
Legit. Oh.
Actually horrible. I don't know if I should use the short one. Good? I'm actually horrible. I'm not, nice. That.
A lot of power on that. She don't want the smoke. Hey.
Yeah. Hey, Georgia. Think you have a shot?
I'm not gonna do
Did you just tell her to video? Obviously. Don't miss.
Look, it's maybe gonna hit it.
I don't want that. He scratched.
Emma sucks.
When you scratch, can you put it wherever?
Unless they're on the opposite side, right?
It has to be like, because I know some people you like put it on the other side. Yeah. We're learning so much about Little Georgia.
I'm not good at it. I'm not good at full bang.
That was hella close.
I didn't even call a pocket. Oops.
Yeah, I don't.
Emma's gonna lose.
Okay.
It's going somewhere.
Okay, do I have to call the pocket?
Yeah, you do.
Okay, then the right one. Sorry.
I don't know. What are you guys doing out here? Just hanging out.
We're on our way back from our hike.
Yeah, we were
just hungry.
What is it?
Salt Creek. Salt Creek.
Yeah, the watercolor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There were people like climbing. Like,
killed.
What's up, video?
What's up, video? You know, it's Ensign Gannon.
It's Gannon. Yeah, I mean, we're here to
Give
get
me a
fucked
bowl.
up. Give him a bowl. Give him a bowl.
Somebody give me a bowl.
This is Susie. Hi. And this is my good friend Georgia. And this is my good friend Sydney. And we're all together. That's beautiful.
First Dexter day. Okay, guys. First Dexter day of the year. How are we feeling?
Really good. Have to get gas.
Woohoo!
And they have their little pool with the floaties in it. Did you see that?
Really? I didn't see it.
Dude, they have an inflatable sitting in there with like a beer with it.
Fuck yeah.
Like, they said something like annoying back, and I was like, hey. I was like,
It's just me eating.
oh my god. Jet skis. Last year I tried so
Spraying by LFG. Let's get hammered every day and cut that out.
Here, does someone want the orange one?
We're going to unthink with my friends.
We gotta go our own separate ways. And it was so stagnant.
Big throw, 21.
You took the same video for both.
Guys, let's go to McMinimans.
Let's ask free Bob. Ask free Bob again. Said no one ever.
What?
Ask free Bob.
You look fucking
Free
hot.
Bob.
You look hot. Super hot. Sexy. You look hot.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah, after you got it.
Let's go. Whoa, I'm going really high. No. It's kind of hard to get started. Yeah, my turn.
My pants are falling down.